I just added 2 cans of peach pie filling right into my baking dish. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract right into that filling. Ooh, I love vanilla, especially with something sweet. Okay, so we have a little bit of ground cinnamon and we're gonna do that. So we're sprinkling a little bit of ground cinnamon. I'm gonna say it's gonna be about a half of a tablespoon. It depends on how much cinnamon you like. That looks good to me. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, so once we have all those things in there, we're just going to kind of fold in that peach delicious goodness. Ooh, we just kind of jazzed up our pie filling with just a little bit of vanilla and cinnamon, and we're moving right along. So mix that all together. You can see the cinnamon is just mixing in so well with that peach, and let's spread it down on the bottom of our dish. Yummy. We have this delicious breakfast treat. I have some Pillsbury Grands here, and if you have the Grands, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut them into about 6 pieces. If you're using the regular cinnamon rolls, you can cut each piece into 4 pieces. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these Grands, which are a little bit bigger than the regular size, and I'm gonna cut them into 6 pieces. I'm gonna spread them all over the top of this peach, pie filling. Okay, you guys, we are good to go on this. How easy was that? We have the pie filling, the vanilla, the cinnamon, and the cinnamon rolls. That's it. Super easy. We are off to a great start. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for probably at least 35 minutes. These cinnamon rolls are really moist, so they're gonna soak up all of that stuff. It's gonna be so tasty. Stick around. You guys are gonna love how this turns out. Oh my goodness, you guys, can we just take a moment here? Look at that cinnamon roll dough. It looks so moist and delicious in with that peach filling. Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Now you're gonna wanna take that frosting that you put to the side earlier, and we're just gonna drizzle this frosting. Look at the way that that frosting is just seeping in to those pieces of cinnamon roll. Look at that. We just did the perfect little, look at that, perfect, turned out perfectly. Okay, you guys, now on top of that, we have some chopped pecans. Of course, these are definitely optional. I'm gonna pour them in my hand first, just so I have a little bit more control over where they go, but I'm gonna put some chopped pecans right on top, give that a little texture, give it a little crunch. Ooh, it's gonna be so super tasty. I love this idea. You gotta come in for that final test-a-roo here. Oh, look at that. It's so moist. Oh, it looks so good. It's like the ultimate easy peach cobbler, right? Oh, I want some juicy peaches in there. Look at all of that brown sugar and that frosting coming right out. Oh, it's kind of steamy. I can tell it's nice and hot, just the way I like it. Okay,
some hot nuts in your mouth.
And peaches. Ooh, peaches and cream with some nuts on top.
You like nuts, huh?
Now we're talking. Okay, it's hot. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon and the peach. Oh, I'm in heaven already. Isn't it crazy how you can smell food and then you taste it? Like literally by smelling, you taste it. Have you guys ever tried plugging your nose and then eating and you can barely taste it? Try it. A little self-experiment. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. This was so easy, you guys. We used a couple things, that was it. You could switch this up. You don't have to use peach. I would highly recommend it. And if you would use something different, please share in the comments. Tell me what you would do differently, if you'd add or take away anything. I wanna hear all about it, you guys. Tell me what you think of this delicious breakfast treat, and we'll see you guys later. Oh, enjoy. Yummy.